Okay, so Stats and Mechanics Year 1, Chapter 7, Mixed Exercise, Question 8. From the large data set, the likelihood of a day with either zero or trace amounts of rain in Huron in June 87 was 0.5. Poppy believes the likelihood of the rain-free days in 2015 has increased. There was 21 days having zero or trace. Use a 5% significance. Okay, so let's set it up. So we'll take x as a letter and we are going to binomially distribute that. We have taken 21 days. What was the 21 days were absorbed in June? How many days are there in June? Okay, January, February, March, April, May, June has 30 days. So they did a test for 30 days and they observed that 21 of them were there. So, but we think that it's 0.5 is the probability. And we are now taking a hypothesis test that the probability is 0.5. Okay, or we are taking the null hypothesis that the probability has increased, so the probability is greater than 0.5. One-tailed test, 5% significance. Okay, and so 0.05, and we need to look at the probability of x being, so is it June 21 days were observed as having 0 or more. Okay, so when x is likelihood of the rain-free days has increased, so that x is going to be 21 or more. Okay, is this or isn't it in or out of it? Okay, so it's on that one-tailed test, being greater than is the other way around. So there, 21, okay, which of course is 1 minus probability of it being less than or equal to 20. Okay, and now if we bring up a calculator, okay, so just come back a little bit on this, because yes, we want a binomial. Number of trials was 30 days. Probability is 0.5. Okay, and now we can start having a look. Now I can put in 20 on this. Okay, and I will see it's 0.97. Okay, so it's 1 minus 0.97. Okay, which of course it's like 0.03-ish, and to show that it is there with that one, we can now just change that over to 21, but on this side of things. Okay, 1, okay, 0.0213. Okay, okay, and now this is less than 0.05. Okay, so we can say that there is evidence to reject the null hypothesis and accept the alternative hypothesis. So the probability of rain has increased from 0.5. Okay, so there is it would appear that there is more chance of it being half on there. Okay, and that's it. Just incidentally, I wonder where or how many days of dry weather we would have had for us to say no, it is still down at 0.5, where that critical value would have been. So if you just come back to the calculator, you can quickly start coming through here, since it's on that one already. If we had 20 days, no, 19 days. So at 19 days, you can see there, in fact, no, was it on 20 days? No. So on 19 days, if they had have had 19 days of dry weather, then we would have said it, we are still accepting it. Okay, and that we would have kept the null hypothesis. Okay, so that's that one done.